Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Hafni Laila Sari dengan NIM 22129295 dari seksi 22 BB07. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan membuat sebuah video untuk memenuhi tugas pada mata kuliah Dasar-Dasar Ilmu Komunikasi dan Public Speaking dengan dosen pengampu Ibu Dr. Salmaini S. SPD MSI. Pada kali ini saya akan membaca sebuah artikel. The relationship between the ability of understanding mathematical concept with language ability during contextual learning. Abstract. Instilling the ability of the left brain can have a positive effect on the understanding of mathematical concept. The purpose was to test whether there was a positive direct effect on studying language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman Tabui culture on their ability to understand mathematical concept. It was survey research. The sample was select simple random as many as 100 people from 389 students of SMA Negeri 3 Padang, Indonesia. The sample has attended lecture through contextual learning based on Padang Tabui culture for 8 weeks. The research instrument was a test of language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. Quantitative data were analyzed using a structure equation model. It is analyzed using a literal application program. The conclusion of this study is that studying language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabui culture have a positive direct effect on their ability to understand mathematical concept. Keyword: conceptual comprehension ability, language ability, and contextual learning. Introduction. The concept of mathematics were a difficult learning object for students. Even though the concept is a mathematical object that cannot be avoided by students. One of the reasons is the abstract mathematical object. The concept of mathematics is abstract. It is very possible for him to have misconception. Students learning mathematical concepts need relational understanding so that it can lead to misunderstanding and difficulty learning. To overcome student mistakes and misconceptions in learning mathematics is through learning that is close to the studying means. Students can do it mathematical process horizontal. Such learning will improve student thought process, such that it become a meaningful learning. Learning that is close to the daily lives of students is one of the starting point for learning mathematics. Something that become a habit of students is local culture. One of them is local music. This can increase mathematical abilities such as the ability to respond mathematics, concept understanding ability, problem-solving skill. This learning can also manage student mistake in understanding mathematics. Doll music is one of Pariaman culture. Music contribute to children cognitive development. Music help activate to child motor nerve skills like the music that accompany regional dance. KJ dance become the starting point for students in understanding geometry. Through this music, students have geometric skill. Students identify and classify them in geometric structure. They are able to use model and symbol to respond to context of geometry shapes. Mathematics and music are interconnected. Mathematical concepts and related basic music include sets, equivalent relation, functions, and graphics, integers, related numbers, real numbers, notes, chord, notes, musical intervals, scales, and cases. This will insert one musical intelligence. It includes sensitivity to rhyme, melody, and tonal color of the music being enjoyed. Pariaman children are very familiar with Tablik culture. This is held every year. In the month of Muharram, the Tablik ceremony has several ritual parts. This always involves Pariaman regional music, which is often referred to as dol music. In the Tabuk tradition, the dol is a traditional drum which originates from Padang Province, Indonesia. The dol is played by trained men. The Tabuk ceremony commemorates the death of Hasan and Hussein, the graduate of the public Muharram. Ini adalah masalah kontekstual yang dapat dijadikan titik pangkal pembelajaran matematika. Pendekatan kontekstual merupakan pendekatan yang melibatkan siswa yang aktif dalam proses pembelajaran. Itu adalah untuk menemukan kembali konsep berdasarkan pengetahuan sebelumnya dan pengalaman siswa. This is a contextual problem that can be used as a starting point for learning mathematics. The contextual approach is an approach that enables students who are activity in the learning process. It is to discover concept based and student previous knowledge and experience. Language ability through musical chanting can affect to understanding of mathematical concept. Understanding this concept is a mathematical problem by embracing mathematical object. Mathematical objects include phase, concept, precision, and operators. Concept understanding in this paper is more focused on the ability to understand concept. The ability to understand concept is a cognitive ability that includes registering in definition of a concept, classifying object into a concept, providing example and not example of a concept, representing a concept in several forms, developing nescape and suffering condition, using certain operand and applying the concept in problem solving. Understanding of mathematical concept can be achieved better if students learn in a related manner. It is one of the elements in understanding mathematical concept. To improve the understanding of mathematical concept, learning is needed that support understanding concept, namely learning to develop the ability to gather information, analyze information, and make generalization by applying the process of connection, representation, communication, reasoning, and proof, and problem solving. The ability to understand mathematically can be achieved completely if students learn through the mathematic approach. Therefore, the language skills that are practiced through the art of dol music as a local culture allow for an increase in mathematical understanding. It shows the existence of a conceptual diagram as the relationship between language skill and the understanding of math concept. Language skills that are sung in music give a person a sense of relation. This affects the ability to think academic. Thus, language skills mediated by music have an influence of mathematical thinking skill. Therefore, the formulation of the problem of his research in whether the student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tabuk culture have a positive direct effect on the understanding of mathematical concept method. This research is a study with a survey approach. This research is designed to test the relationship between language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Pariaman Tabuk culture and the understanding of math concept. The population is all students of SMA Negeri 3 Padang, Indonesia. The number of affordable population is 389 students. The sample of this research was 100 people. The selective was made through simple random sampling technique. There are two linear variables, namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concept. The understanding of math concept in this study is specifically about the understanding of mathematical concept. Research were carried out when the annual Padang Tauhid Kultur activity was underway. Therefore, the entire population research in this study has followed this learning model. The research instrument was a language proficiency questionnaire and a test of the understanding of mathematical concepts that were analyzed using structural aquarium modeling. Questions that were analyzed using a structured equation model, it is analyzed using a Lisrel application program. Result on discussion. The data from this test is the understanding of math concept and language skill as a linear variable. Each variable indicator is listening X1, speaking X2, reading X3, and writing X4. For latent language ability variable, the indicator variable for understanding mathematical concept is X1. Restart the notation of a concept X2. Classical object according to Cantrell concept X3. Provides example and not example for a concept X4. Present concept in various from a responsion X5. Arrange necessary and sufficient condition of a concept X6. Select an operation and X7. Applies the concept to problem solving by using the Lisrel application program that were analyzed and present in table. To explain the indicator variable for mathematical thinking skill, understanding mathematical concepts, table 3 show that the validity of the 7 offset variable on the understanding of mathematical concept. The 7 variables observed were valid. The 7 manifest variables are restatement of concept. Classify object according to certain properties according to the concept. Show example and not example, respect on concept in various forms. Develop and condition which is a critical condition of a concept. Using and selecting specific frontends and apply the concept to algorithm for problem solving. That is, and according with the properties of the loading factor flow of more than. Based on the validity and reliability test and figure 2. Basic model T-values hypothesis can be tested about the direct effect to student language skill through contextual learning based on Padang Tauhid Kultur on the understanding of mathematical concept. The test show that with a clue, this means that there is a positive direct influence of student language skill through contextual learning based on the Tauhid Padang Kultur on their ability to understanding mathematical concept. The results of this study are in line with other studies. Musical ability has a positive direct effect on the native abstract ability of low level. Low-level elementary students have the ability to understand multiplication and division operation, else able to communicate variable in writing and mathematical expansion. It is based on real media based on local culture. Thus, it is true that language skill through contextual learning based on local culture have an effect on the understanding of math concepts. Conclusion. We conclude that there is a positive direct effect of student language skill through contextual or culture-based learning on their ability to understand mathematical concepts. This is supported by the validity and reliability of the indicator of the two variables, or namely language skill and the understanding of mathematical concepts. Therefore, to improve mathematical thinking skill, Educator must apply contextual learning based on local culture.